ASCII value in the keyboard. So if you press capital B, system cannot understand. It converts internally ASCII format, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. For every character, there is a ASCII value. That means computer understands only ones and zeros. So that's why 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1, 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 4 bytes is equal to 1 word, 4 words is equal to 1024 bytes, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte, 1024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte, 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 terabyte, 1024 terabytes is equal to 1 petabyte, 1024 petabytes is equal to 1 hexabyte, 1024 hexabyte is equal to 1 octabyte, 1024 octabyte is equal to 1 zettabyte, 1024 zettabyte is equal to 1 yottabyte, 1024 yottabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte, 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte, and 1024 geobytes is equal to infinity. If you see same measurement in mathematical range, normal range and big data range, kilobyte is 10 power 3, megabyte is 10 power 6, gigabyte is 10 power 9, terabyte is 10 power 12, and petabyte is 10 power 15, hexabyte is 10 power 18, zettabyte is 10 power 21, yottabyte is 10 power 24, and brontobyte is 10 power 27, geobyte is 10 power 30. This is the way we are measuring the data in data science. My dear students, please keep in mind, we need to measure the data in the bits and bytes. This is the way we are measuring the data in data science. So today I am going to explain 10 modules. This is the syllabus, Introduction to Data Science, what it consists of, fundamentals, components, workflow, and data science tools and techniques, and followed by the applications. Then Python programming. So if you know very well, if you don't know, no problem, I am going to demonstrate. Here I am going to explain Python programming collections, standard library in order to execute various real-time applications. Then advanced Python programming in order to solve data science applications. We are going for advanced Python programming. Then followed by the statistics. This is the statistics syllabus. And artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means intelligent behavior in a machine. Here we are using various techniques like fuzzy logic, soft computing techniques, artificial neural networks, single layer perceptron, multi-layer perceptron, ANN and CNN, etc. Then data mining. Data mining is the process of extracting meaningful, interested patterns from the huge volume of data by applying classification techniques, clustering techniques, association rule mining techniques, etc. Then the followed by the big data technologies. What is meant by big data, why we are using big data, and what are the examples and concepts, and what are the tools and techniques, advantages, disadvantages, research challenges, and algorithms of big data technologies. Then artificial neural networks. This is the syllabus we are using. And machine learning, there are three approaches we are using: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. These are the very three important approaches we are using in machine learning. As a human, we are writing instructions to algorithms that we are feeding to the system, we are training to the system, and the system is understanding that instructions. According to instruction, it can repeat the steps, it can work. That is called machine learning. There are various algorithms we are using. Then deep learning. So learning from the observational data with a deep manner by applying CNN, RNN, LSTM, various techniques. Then followed by the augmented reality, virtual reality, various tools and techniques we are using. Then followed by the projects. In my laboratory, data science research laboratory, we have executed nearly 120 projects. These all are projects. See, can you see projects? How many projects I have executed? Nearly 129 projects I have executed in my laboratory. So, what is the prerequisition of data science? Sir, I am a beginner of data science. I am a BCA student. I don't have knowledge. No problem. So, these are the prerequisition of data science. In statistics, at least you must have knowledge on inferential statistics, descriptive statistics. In mathematics, at least you need to have a linear algebra, calculus. Any one programming language, Excel, Python, or programming structure query language, SQL. This is the prerequisition of data science. And this is my own prerequisition of data science. With my experience, I have created, this is my own chart. See here, what is meant by data? Data is a raw material, and data may be a fact or image, audio, video, text, graphics, animation. Anything can be a data. Once we have a data, we are processing the data by applying various tools and techniques. That is called information. Once you have information, we are doing creating database, collection of interrelated data, that is called database. To manage that database, we are using various softwares like SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access, etc. Database management system. Then combination of data plus DBMS is called database system. Data mart, subset of a data warehousing, that is called data warehousing. We are storing huge volume of data in the server or system or data center. Once we are storing the data, huge volume of data, collection of data marts is called data warehousing, and that is also called as online analytical processing. Data mining is nothing but extracting meaningful data by applying classification, clustering, association rule mining techniques. Big data, it deals with the big data sets like three: volume, velocity, variety. Volume says that size of the data, variety says that different file formats, and velocity says that the speed and motion of the data. So the latest buzzword is data science. Data science is the process of extracting and extracting meaningful insights from the large amount of data by applying machine learning, statistical techniques, machine learning scientific methods. So this is a prerequisition of data science. So what is the technical name of this image? My dear students, anyone knows Chandigarh University? How do you publicize about Chandigarh University? Through pamphlets, through WhatsApp, through Facebook, through Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or SMS. So now this is one more a way of publicizing about data science. I have incorporated all the tools and techniques, algorithms, knowledge, system, structure, analysis, programming, etc. in this image. What is the technical name of this image? Anyone? Please answer to my question. Anyone? What is the technical name of this image? Can you give an answer in the chat box? No problem. I am giving the answer. The technical name of this image is data science word cloud. So coming to first topic, introduction to data science. Data is a central to the data science. Without data, there is no database application. Data may be a qualitative data, quantitative data, numeric data, characteristics of data. Okay, there are various data types are available. Usually numeric that are collected through observation. So data may be a two types, categorical data, numerical data. Categorical data examples marital status, eye color, etc. Political party. Numerical data is classified into two types, discrete and continuous data. Discrete means there is no continuation of data. It is a counted items like number of children, defects per hour in a software. Continuous means continuously increasing the data, continuously performing the data. Example, weight or age. Continuously our age is growing, voltage, measured characteristics. This is about the types of data. How do you collect the data? So we are collecting the data through various data collection tools, like through interviews we are collecting the data, through observation we are collecting the data, through surveys we are collecting the data, through usage data, through focus groups, etc. Then data science is a combination of scientific methods, mathematics, statistics, advanced computing, data engineering, domain expertise, visualization, hacker mindset. So that's why data science is a process of extracting insights and meaningful data. So data science including 7 steps like a collection of data, then storing of data, cleaning of the data. If any redundant data is there, we are cleansing the data. Then integration of the data, analyzing the data, representation and visualization of the data, and finally actions. We are taking decisions. Manager would like to take decisions. Then data is everywhere and it can help organizations, any industry in many different ways. That's why data sources are data from ERP systems. So data is from ERP system, Internet of Things. We are collecting the data from mobile apps data. Sir Naresh sir, good morning sir. I am in the session. Okay sir. So we are collecting the data from social network data, financial data, and multimedia data. Data sources like various sources are available. Okay, and data science workflow. First, we are capturing the data. We are managing and cleansing the data. Exploratory analysis means classification of the data. Final analysis, reporting of the data. Finally, we are visualization of the data through bar chart, pie chart, line chart, etc. And data science characteristics like volume, velocity, variety. Volume says that size of the data. We are measuring the data through megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes. Then data variety means different file formats we are analyzing, and we can see different file formats like audio, video, text, graphics, animation kinds of data. Then data velocity, speed and motion of the data. whether we are handling the real-time data, legacy data, batch processing data, periodic data, etc. These are the important characteristics of big data. Then data science is the process of examining large amounts of data of a variety of data types to uncover hidden patterns, to extract insights and unknown correlations and other useful information. Why do they care about data science? Data science, if you are having more data, it leads to the more knowledge. More knowledge leads to the more money. So it is better customer engagement, fraud prevention, and the new products. So why do we learn about the data science? It is a fuel for 21st century. It is a problem of demand and supply. It is a lucrative career. Data science is changing the world. Data science is future. So that's why it is a better informed decisions we are taking through data science. Why data science is important? We are taking decision making. That's why data science is important. Efficiency and productivity, we are getting the results are very efficient and we can increase the productivity. Innovation, we are creating new products and services. Personalization, so if you want to have a better performance, we are going for data science. Competitive advantage, yes, in this world we are living with a high competitive world. In order to sell your product, in order to survive yourself, there is a huge competition. So that's why data science is important. So following are the sectors where data science has provided its importance. Can you see? We are using data science in finance, e-commerce, and search engines, advertising, transportation, healthcare, forecasting, banking and securities, and commercializations, education, manufacture, media and entertainment, image or speech, text recognition. Then Facebook alone generates more than 1000 terabytes of data daily, whereas many other organizations like Jet Airways and Stock Market Exchange terabytes of data every hour. Data science is a collection of data sets which is so large and complex that it is difficult to handle using database management system tools. Types of data, structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. So structured data is nothing but with help of SQL, MySQL, we are creating the database and we are maintaining the tables, transactions and legacy data. There is a schema, there is a syntax, there is a label, procedure. We are creating the database with the help of relational databases. That is called structured data. Unstructured data means there is no label, there is no schema, there is no procedure, there is no syntax, there is no relation. But we are creating the data, examples of audio, video, text, graphics, animation. That's why it is called unstructured data. With the help of no relational, no relational database languages such as NoSQL, such as Mongo database, Hive, HBase, etc. Semi-structured data, examples like XML database, extensible markup language, 50% structured data and 50% unstructured data. So why do we want to study data analytics? Data analytics is the process of analyzing raw data in order to make conclusions and decisions about the information. That is called data analytics. There are 5 steps we are using in the data analytics. First, we are collecting data from the source, that is called collection. Then measure information from collected data, that is called measure. Analyze the process for issues and root causes, that is called analyze. Determine and implement and improve the actions, that is called improve. And help to system with improved information, that is called control. Who uses data science? Sir, which companies are using data science? See, very big companies like Amazon, they are using data science. Twitter, they are using data science. LinkedIn, they are using data science. Swarovski, Airbnb, Google, Disney Parks, Facebook, Discovery, Uber, whatnot, Booking.com, NASA, every big giants in the market, they are using data science. So there are structure of data three types: tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Tier 1 is nothing but data sources, maybe a structured, we are feeding data to the system through structured data or unstructured data. So then we are choosing the tier 2 big data technologies like Hive, MATLAB, MapReduce, Hadoop. These are the various tools and techniques we are using in order to process the huge volume of data. Then finally, tier 3 analytics. We are generating dashboards and visualization charts, scorecards, reports through pie chart, bar chart, line chart, etc. Then data file formats are various types like audio, video, text, graphics, animation, emails, documents, books, transactions, images, etc. These are called a variety. So one of the dimension of big data, volume, velocity, variety. This is called variety, data file formats. See here, audio, video, text, graphics, animation, various kinds of data, PDF, CSS, PHP, TIFF, tagged image file format, okay, and artificial intelligence, JavaScript, JPG. Then data science is a multidisciplinary subject and it uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge, meaningful data, and insights from many structural and unstructural data. That's why data science uses domain expertise and it uses data engineering and it uses advanced computing servers, data center. Then it uses statistical operations like mean, median, standard deviation, etc. Then finally visualization through graphs, through bar chart, pie chart, etc. That's why data science is a combination of visualization, statistical modeling, statistical computing, data technology, data research, data consulting, real world application, scientific methods. So data science, it is also called as data driven science. It is an interdisciplinary field about scientific methods, process and systems to extract knowledge or insights from data in various forms. And that's why various forms is nothing but structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. It is also called as knowledge discovery database. That's why data science uses scientific thinking, statistical methods, computing engineering, innovative technologies. So data science is to follow the 5 steps: capturing the data and processing the data, maintaining the data, analyzing the data. Finally, we are communicating with the customers. These are the 5 steps we are following. That's why data science is a multidisciplinary subject. It is a combination of statistics, visualization, pattern recognition, neurocomputing, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, data mining, databases and data processing, knowledge discovery database. So these all are various subjects, various domains. That's why it is called a multidisciplinary subject. Then what about a data science life cycle? First, we are framing the problem, business problem understanding. Then data collection through various data collection tools, data cleansing and preparation, exploratory data analysis, feature engineering, machine learning, model evaluation, data visualization. So that's why data science is a multidisciplinary field. It involves several key steps, including data collection, data cleansing, data analysis, and data visualization. What is the goal of data science is to identify patterns, trends, and the relationship between in the data that can be used to make informed decisions. That's why data science driven by advancements in technology such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, and big data. So, data scientists use these tools to build predictive models and algorithms that can automate the decision making process to improve the accuracy of predictions. There are various applications of data science like healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing. Okay. So, data science uses mathematical, statistical, and computational method to analyze and interpret large volume of data, huge volume of data, and complex data sets to extract valuable insights and knowledge. So, if you see introduction to data science, it uses all the kinds of data, statistical learning, machine learning, probability models, artificial intelligence, visualization, pattern recognition, uncertainty mathematics, statistics, operations research, predictive analytics, signal processing, computer science. That's why data science involves the process of collecting the data, cleaning the data, processing the data, analyzing data, and finally, we are visualizing the data to extract insights, patterns, and trends that can inform business decisions or scientific research. What are the main components of data science? Data exploration means we are classifying the data. Modeling is nothing but simplified version of the reality. Testing the model, we have already trained data. With the help of testing the data, we are classifying whether it is going to classify or not. Finally, we are deploying the models. What are the major components of data? Data, big data, machine learning, statistics and probability, programming languages. These are the major components of data science. Data is a raw material. Big data deals with the three V's, volume, velocity, and variety. So machine learning is nothing but we are feeding data to the system, and that's why it is called machine learning with the help of three types of approaches: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Statistics and probability, we are using various methods. Numeric foundations of data science is insights and likelihood. And programming language, you can use any one programming language. The popular programming language is Python, or you can use any programming, Java, JavaScript. These are the top four programming languages. Then what are the examples of data science? See, here are the various examples of applications of data science. Predictive analytics, such as a customer behavior or forecasting stock prices. And you can call it as natural language processing. Examples, we are converting Chinese to Hindi, Hindi to Chinese. We are collecting the data. So we are analyzing social media sentiment, or processing voice commands in a virtual assistant. So then image and video processing, using data to analyze We are performing various audio, video, text, graphics, and we are processing the applications. Machine learning, we are using various machine learning applications using data to train models that can make predictions or decisions based on new data, such as predicting or whether a loan application will be approved or recommending products to customers. Fraud detection, example, credit card transactions and insurance claim. Personalized marketing. So, based on recommending products based on previous purchase history or browsing behavior. See, in your mobile, through your mobile, you are booking Amazon through Amazon, Flipkart, e-commerce websites, Apple phone. Today you searched in the your phone. Tomorrow automatically your browser showing. Would you like to purchase this another version of Apple phone because of personalized marketing? Health informatics, we are using identifying risk factors for COVID-19 for disease, contaminated diseases, or analyzing patients' data to inform treatment or decisions. Then there are four pillars of data science, like examples of data science. Domain knowledge, you need to have like business knowledge, expert system, user testing. You need to have a mathematics and statistics skills like linear algebra, calculus, descriptive statistics, inferential statistics. You need to have a computer science knowledge like big data technologies, programming, databases. Communication and visualization, you need to have a storytelling skills, visual art design, able to engage with the senior manager and R package. Then concepts of data science, we are using various concepts like data collection. So through databases, APIs and social media sensors and other sources, we are collecting the data. Data cleansing. So is there any redundant data, noisy data, missing data, inconsistent data in a data set to ensure its accuracy and completeness? Data exploration. Data exploration is nothing but the process of understanding and exploring the characteristics of data set through visualization, descriptive statistics and other methods. Then data analysis. So the process of applying statistical or scientific methods to identify patterns, models, relationships, trends, etc. in a data set. Data visualization. So we are visualizing through graphs. We are presenting and communicating insights and findings through graphs and charts and other visual formats. Predictive modeling, the process of building models that can make predictions about future events or behaviors based on historical data. Last, weather forecasting data example for predictive modeling. And machine learning, the process of training algorithms to learn from data and make predictions or decisions. See, the process of training algorithms to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. There are three types of approaches we are using: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Artificial intelligence is nothing but intelligent behavior in a machine. So, such as natural language processing, robots, image recognition, and decision making. Big data, so it deals with a large amount of data, complex data sets that are too big to be processed using traditional data processing tools. That's why we are going to use big data tools like Hadoop, Spark, MATLAB, R, etc. Data ethics. means such as privacy, bias, and accountability. So data scientists are these concepts to extract insights and knowledge from data that can be used to drive business decisions, scientific research, and other applications. And there are concepts of data science topics and areas. See here, data mining process, data visualization, dimension reduction, classification, k nearest neighbor, linear regression models, naive Bayes, classification and regression trees, logistic regression, neural networks, geographical information system and spatial data, discriminant analysis, association rules, cluster analysis, time series, regression based forecasting, smoothing methods, fraud detection, timestamps and financial modeling, data engineering. These are the concepts of data science. Concepts of data science. First step, get more data. Ask a sharp question. Put the data in a table. Check for quality. Transform features. Answer the question. Use the browser. So what are the tools of data science? So there are various top 10 tools of data science. Python is so popular because of rich number of libraries are presented, and it's flexible, ease of use, and large collection of libraries. Libraries are also called as packages, APIs, application programming interface for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. R is a visualization programming language. It is powerful statistical capabilities and visualization tool. SQL, structured query language. It is used to manage and query relational databases, which are commonly used in data science applications. Hadoop is an open source framework and it uses HDFS and MapReduce, Hadoop distributed file system and MapReduce in order to process the large data sets, providing a scalable and cost-effective solutions for big data processing. HDFS is a Hadoop distributed file system. It takes input and it processing it. Then MapReduce is a programming model where we are writing Java code in order to perform the applications. Spark is very fast and better than Hadoop, and it is flexible for streaming data and a flexible distributed computing framework that provides efficient data processing, machine learning and graph processing capabilities, especially streaming data. Then Tableau is a visualization popular tool that uses users to create interactive and engaging visualizations for exploring and presenting data. Pandas is a Python library for data manipulation in order to perform data sets for handling and cleaning data as well as performing statistical analysis. TensorFlow, sir, please record the session, sir. TensorFlow is an open source machine learning library that provides tools. It is a artificial intelligence and big data tool. It performs machine learning models. Jupyter Notebook, it is a editor and open source in order to perform Python programming, and it is very popular, Jupyter Notebook. Then scikit-learn, it is one of the Python library for machine learning that provides a range of tools. We are using scikit-learn for classification, clustering, regression, and other machine learning tasks. Hello, my dear students. Any doubts? My voice is audible, sir?
Yes, sir, it is audible.
Sir, are you recording the session?
Yes, sir, we are recording the session.
Yeah, thank you. Data science tools such as SAS, So statistical analysis software SaaS, Apache Spark, BigML, D3, JavaScript, MATLAB, Excel, ggplot2, Tableau, Jupyter, Matplotlib, Natural Language Toolkit, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Weka. These are the various popular data science tools, and important data science tools like Apache Hadoop, TensorFlow, Apache Spark, MATLAB, SAS, Tableau, Matplotlib, BigML. These are the various data science tools we are using. See here, Tableau is a visualization tool, Excel is a statistical tool, RapidMiner is a data mining tool, Data Robot is an artificial intelligence tool, ClickView is a AI tool, H2O is a artificial intelligence tool, TensorFlow is a machine learning and deep learning tool, BigML for big data tool, Snowflake data warehousing tool, Trifacta data warehousing tool. Then these are the data science algorithms: linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, naive-bayes classification, k-nearest neighbor, support vector machine, k-means clustering, principal component analysis, and neural networks, random forest. So linear regression is a statistical method, logistic regression is a statistical method, decision tree is a data mining tool, naive Bayes is a classification tool, k nearest neighbor is a classification tool, support vector machine, it's a classification tool, K-means clustering, it is a clustering tool. Principal component analysis, it is a image processing tool. Neural networks, it is a classification tool. Random forest, it is a classification tool. These are the top 10 algorithms of data science. My dear friends, please keep in mind these top 10 tools are very popular and very famous. I am going to demonstrate these top 10 algorithms. So data science, if you want to learn, you need to have programming language called Python or Java. Data visualization, you need to have Tableau, Power BI, Matplotlib, ggplot, Seaborn. Ideally, integration, development, learning environment, PyCharm, Jupyter, Collaboratory, Spider, or Studio. Web scraping, Beautiful Soap, Scrapy, URL lib, and deploy Amazon Web Services, Azure. Mathematics, you need to have statistics, linear algebra, differential calculus, data analysis, feature engineering, data wrangling, exploratory data analysis, machine learning, classification, regression, reinforcement learning, deep learning, clustering, dimensionality reduction. So top 10 algorithms I have explained already. Linear regression to a priori algorithm. Then data store, we are using Mongo database, MySQL. It joins our what RDBMS do for a living. Transformation, we are converting data one form to another form. We are using Spark, Python, SQL, structured query language. And we are, in order to develop a model, we are using scikit-learn, Python, Panda, Spark, etc. Visualization purpose, we are using ggplot2, Matplotlib, D3, other tools like Kafka. Communication purpose we are using. Then data science minimum subjects you need to have: mathematics and statistics, coding skills like Python or R, data wrangling and pre-processing, data visualization skills, machine learning skills, real world project skills, communication skills, lifelong learning skills, team player skills, ethical skills, etc. So skills a data scientist have: data mining, big data, research analytics, machine learning, Python or R, data analysis. skills required by a data scientist, statistics 70 to 80% statistics, 70 to 80% predictive modeling, 10 to 15% machine learning, 30% text mining, 5% visualization. So my journey to become a data scientist, first understand customers, define metrics that matter, translate for non-technical audience, statistical packages, advanced mathematics, experimental design, model fitting, scripting language, predictive analytics. So then SQL, data governance, structured query language, data governance, data preparation, get the right data, strains privacy legal, make it actionable, ask good questions. So what are the applications of data science? We are using data science in image recognition applications, speech recognition applications, price comparison websites, internet search, gaming, digital advertisements, delivery logistics, fraud and risk detection, recommender system. So out of all the programming languages, why Python is so popular? My dear students, can anyone give answer? Why Python is so popular? Python is so popular because of rich number of libraries, APIs, packages, etc. So data science
Sir, and
use
also due
case.
to easy coding.
Hello, sir.
Sir, due to easy syntax of Python.
Yeah, very good, very good. Easy to syntax, very good answer. And why we are using data science use case? See here, Amazon. Uh, Amazon is a e-commerce website, Flipkart and Amazon. Why they are using data science? Improving e-commerce experience. In order to increase their business and customer experience, they are using data science. Why Uber is using data science? Optimizing rides. Why Bank of America is using data science? Increasing customer experience. Why Airbnb is using? Improving searches. Data science in pharmaceutical industries, predictive modeling for maintaining oil and gas supply, data science in biotechnology, data science in education. What are the advantages and disadvantages? If you see first advantage, data science can be fun, multiple job designations, ease of job hunting, and customize the products, highly paid career, cost optimization, AI is the future. What are the advantages? Highly paid career, higher demands, bright future, multiple job profiles. What are the disadvantages? Complexity, less accuracy, no data security. And what are the techniques we are using in data science? I have explained already: data cleaning, data exploration, and data preparation, statistical analysis, machine learning, data visualization, data mining, and natural language processing. Those are the techniques of data science. See here, data science techniques I have explained already: linear regression to random forest. Then data analytics using statistical method by using linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression. We are performing various data science applications. We are using statistical operations like mean, standard deviation, and variance, regression, hypothesis testing, and sample size determination. These are the top 10 algorithms of statistics: linear regression, classification, subset selection, tree-based methods, support vector machine, unsupervised learning, nonlinear models, resampling methods, shrinkage, dimension reduction. Then data analytics using AI techniques. By using various artificial intelligence techniques, and we are solving data analytics problems. So data analytics using AI techniques, we are using statistical techniques in this one, machine learning techniques and deep learning techniques. Data analytics using data mining techniques. So data mining is the extraction of meaningful data, and we are examining insights, and the examples are data summarization, association rule mining, and clustering and classification. What are the top 10 data mining techniques? See here. So clustering, association, data cleansing, data visualization, classification, machine learning, prediction, neural networks, outlier detection, data wrangling. These are the top 10 data mining techniques: anomaly detection, regression analysis, association learning, choice modeling, clustering analysis, rule induction, classification analysis, neural networks. Data analytics using artificial neural networks techniques. We are using ANN technique for classification based on human and animal brains. We are solving. They solve problems through trial and error basis. We are using various artificial neural networks techniques like learning paradigms, learning algorithms like conjugate gradient, quasi network, quasi Newton, steepest descent. Topologies like single layer network, multi layer network, networks with one recurrent layer. Then data analytics using machine learning techniques. We are using three types of approaches in machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. There are 7 steps are involved in this machine learning analysis: collection of data, preparation of the data, choosing a model, training the model, evaluating the model, parameter tuning, market predictions. So data analytics using machine learning techniques like regression techniques, classification. See, under supervised learning, regression, classification technique. Under unsupervised learning, clustering and dimensionality reduction. Semi-supervised learning, clustering, classification. Control under reinforcement learning, classification and control under reinforcement learning. Then data analytics using deep learning techniques. We are using CNN technique and recurrent neural network technique and LSTM, various deep learning frameworks. Most in demand jobs in data science, data scientist. See, once you complete this data science course, you will get very good jobs. If you want personal training, I am going to give you personal training or corporate training or any university or college training also I am ready to give you. And once my training is completed, you are becoming as a data scientist, data analyst, and a machine learning engineer, data architect, data engineer, business intelligence developer. These are the various jobs are available. Okay. So then these are the skills are required. How to become a data scientist? You need to have statistical knowledge, programming skills, machine learning, data management, communication skills. Then these are the data analytics using deep learning techniques. My screen is visible. Hello, sir. My screen
Yes,
is
sir.
visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the these are the 12 highest paying programming jobs. See here, my dear students, once completed data science training, 10 subjects, I have done many corporate trainings. If you want, I'll give you personal training, corporate training, or university training. So data scientist is the highest paying job, then machine learning engineer, then software engineer, cloud engineer, development operation scientist, DevOps specialist, penetration tester, blockchain specialist, database developer, and front-end developer, back-end developer, full stack developer, mobile developer. These are the various highest paying jobs. Then what are the research challenges of data science? See, wherever data is there is a problems are there. Data may be a complex data. So we need to do research challenges of data science, like data quality and data privacy and security is a challenge. Data integration is a challenge. Then data interpretation, conversion of one data to another data, it is a problem. Scalability means increasing the size of the data. So how many servers are required? It is a challenge. Algorithm selection, there are various types of algorithms are there. It is a challenge to choose best algorithm. Model interpretability, once we got the results, we are unable to interpret the data because of the results, because of the complex of the data. Then bias and fairness. So this is also one of the research challenge of data science. Real-time analysis. Real-time analysis is also a very big problem, and ethical consideration. It is a obvious ethics we need to follow for any aspect or any type of if you are performing applications, societal applications, we need to follow a ethical considerations. Then these are the research challenges, multiple data sources and data security, lack of clarity and business problem, undefined key performance indicators and metrics, getting value out of data science, sentiment analysis, opinion mining, predictive mining, and post and pre-clustering. How can we capture and deliver data to right people in real time? How we can handle a variety of forms and data? How we can store and analyze data given its size and computational capacity. These are the research challenges. According to the Gartner survey, Gartner, Gartner is a famous surveyist, is revealing the challenges of data science. See here, dirty data, 49%. Lack of data science talent, 41%. Lack of management and financial support, 37%. Lack of clear questions to answer, 30%. Likewise, integration finding into decisions, 13.6%. So research in data science, we are using analytics and business intelligence, data-driven science, artificial intelligence, data science, theories, methods and technology, visualization, machine learning, information technology, we are using social sciences, informatics, statistics. So that's why, what are the research areas, application domains and projects? We have a smart business, city planning, e-health, telecommunications, social engineering, travel data analytics, smart shopping, real-time data warehousing, IoT for precision health, medical adherence, augmented rehabilitation and coaching system, pricing and uptake of next generation networks, a new framework for high-speed data mining, cyberbullying detection, social media location mining, forecasting fluctuation in power supply. So these are the research areas and application domains and projects. The future of data science, we are using in future algorithms like massive scale graph, geospatial temporal predictive analytics, hyper fast analytics, embedded deep learning, cognitive machine learning, natural language generation, structured database generation, cyber security, healthcare, Internet of Things, customer engagement and experience, smart everything, human capital, data for social good. Future of data science, problems in handling data, never ending growth of data, increased demand for data scientists, popularity of machine learning, emerging sources of data. So, data science increases in data science roles, clearly defined scope of data science, creation of more jobs, normalized data science education, advancements in machine learning to foster data science. This is a summary of theory, what I have explained. Hadoop stack, mathematical modeling, and statistical technique, natural language processing, machine learning, behavioral economics, predictive analytics, data algorithm, Python, SQL, or Julia, data mining. These are the summary of data science. Now I am going to demonstrate a practical session. What are the algorithms, top 10 algorithms of data science? See here, linear regression. Why we are using linear regression? It is a statistical model. And to predict the values of dependent variable based on one or more independent variables. That's why we are using predictive modeling. Predict the value of a dependent variable based on one or more independent variables. That is called linear regression. It is widely used in predictive modeling and forecasting. To predict the value of a dependent variable, suppose x0, y0, x1, y2, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and so on. You are saying x4, y4. How you are saying? Based on the previous values. That's why it is based on the predictive value of a dependent variable based on the one or more independent variable. Logistic regression, it is also one of the top 10 algorithm in data science. Now I am going to demonstrate all these algorithms. Relationship between categorical dependent variable and one or more independent variables. Okay, it is commonly used in classification tasks. Then decision trees are a type of algorithms used for classification and regression analysis. They create a model for by breaking down a data set into smaller subsets, eventually leading to a prediction. Then random forest. Random forest is an ensemble learning method that combines multiple decision trees to improve prediction accuracy and reduce overfitting. K nearest neighbor is a classification algorithm that identifies the K nearest data points to a target point and classifies it based on the majority class among the K neighbors. Naive Bayes, it is a probabilistic algorithm that uses Bayes' theorem to classify data. It is widely used for text classification, spam filtering, and sentiment analysis. Support vector machine. Support vector machine is a type of supervised learning algorithm that can be used for both classification and regression analysis. It finds a hyperplane that best separates data into different classes. So these are the last algorithms. Neural networks are the type of machine learning algorithms modeled after the human brain. They are widely used in image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and other complex tasks. Principal component analysis, it is a dimensionality reduction algorithm. It is used to reduce the number of variables in data set while retaining the most important information. Example, face recognition. If you take a face, what are the constraints we are taking on the face? We are taking forehead distance, moles on the face, distance between nose and mouth, and like various features we are taking. A priori algorithm. It is a popular algorithm used in association rule mining. It identifies frequent item sets in a data set and generates rules that describe relationship between different items. So now practical session. My dear students, take your laptop. Now I am going to demonstrate. So please listen carefully. I am going to demonstrate now. So before going to practical session, just I would like to explain how to download Python software. Very simple. My screen is visible, sir.
Yes, it's visible, sir.
Yeah, Python software. Type Python software. Go to Python. Welcome to python.org. Click this link. Go to downloads. There is a version Python 3.11.3. Please download. I'm downloading in the downloads folder. Now it is downloading. See, it takes only 1 minute. Okay. So now I'm double click that one. You need to select a path here. So I have already installed. First time if you are installing, you can select the path. So here path and modify. Next. Okay. Install. See, I am installing Python software. My dear students, it is very easy to install. Once you select path, then it will give us path where the programs are storing in our laptop. So once completed this Python installation, why do this is for Python for Windows. Python is developed by Guido van Rossum. Python is a object-oriented programming language. Python is a scripting and a interpreted language. Python is a case-sensitive programming language. Python can be executed in two ways. IDLE and scripting way, integration, development, learning environment. And Python having data types, mutable and immutable. So Python having loop statements like for loop, while loop. Okay, so now I am going to show you Python programming demonstration. Once successfully completed, okay, then go to command prompt, type CMD. See, now my screen is visible, sir. So type Python.
So it
Yeah.
is.
Yeah, type Python. It will show you the latest version 3.11.3. So to clear the console, we are using command like import os dot system of CLS. Clear the screen. Now I am clearing the screen. See now? Now I am writing simple program first. Write a Python program, simple program. Then I will execute data science applications. Write a Python program. Write a Python program to perform all arithmetic operations. All arithmetic operations in a single program. In a single program. See here. Using static input. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, then C is equal to A plus B, D is equal to A minus B, E is equal to A star B multiplication, F is equal to A division by B, G is equal to A modulus by B. Now I am printing, see, print. Okay, so print addition equal to. So what is the output variable? See, A and B are the input variables, C is the output variable. Now I am printing C. See, addition equal to 7. Next, print subtraction. Now use a subtraction. So what is the output variable? D. Now check the value. 3 minus 4, 1. Then multiplication. See here, all of you, my screen is visible.
Yes, it is.
Yes, sir, it is.
Yeah, then multiplication. E is the multiplication output variable. Now check the 3. 3 times 4, 12. Next, division. Same way you can execute, all of you. Do you have laptops? Hello, my dear
Yes,
friends.
sir,
Do
there is.
you
Some of
have
them do.
laptop? See, division is 0.75 and modulo division. This is called IDLE execution. Modulo division. So G is the output
So what is
variable.
the difference between IDLE and IDE?
Yeah. So through IDLE and the scripting way. Now I am moving to scripting way. See here, you need same program. I am executing in scripting way. So ideally you can use PyCharm, Jupyter, anything. No problem. So through command prompt I am executing now. See, this is one way of executing the Python programming. Now I am showing one more way of executing Python programming. So if you want to shift to command prompt, quit. Parenthesis begin, parenthesis close. Now same program I am executing in scripting way. So in order to clear the screen, use CLS. Now notepad space, I'm creating a file name, Chandigarh University, CU. File name is CU. Notepad space, cu.py. I'm creating scripting file, same program. My screen is visible. Please respond. Write a Python program.
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah, write a Python program to perform all arithmetic operations, same program. See, now I am writing all arithmetic operations using dynamic input, not a static input. Dynamic input. See here, I am reading the value a equal to int of input of enter value of a. Okay. Now, b equal to int of input of enter value of b. Enter value of b. I'm reading the next addition. C is equal to a plus b, same program. D is equal to a minus b and E is equal to a star b and F is equal to A division by B, G is equal to A modulus by B. Now print the same program I am writing. Addition equal to C is the output variable. Then printf, print subtraction equal to B. Then print multiplication equal to E, output variable E. Print division equal to, this is sample program I am showing. Now I am going to demonstrate data science applications. Printf, print modulo division. G. So after completion, control yes, save the program. Now run. See, write a Python program. So now once you save the program, go to command prompt, execute Python space cu.py. See now My screen is asking enter value of A, 3. Enter value of B, 4. Now check the output. Addition equal to 7, subtraction equal to -1, multiplication equal to 12, division equal to 0.75, modulo division is 3. So my screen is visible. So now I am executing data science applications. The first program, see here, linear regression in Python code. I am taking x value. I am importing numpy as np, import matplotlib, that is pyplot as plt, input data x np.array. I am taking input values. I am taking y values. Then calculate slope and intercept value, length of x, then b and a value. Then make a prediction for a given number of hours studied. So these are the data types. So if you study 2 hours, you will get 60 marks. If you study 3 hours, you will get 70 marks. Now I'm predicting 7 hours. Make a prediction for a given number of hours studied. If you study hours 7 hours, what is the value? Now I am going to demonstrate that one. Plot the data and regression line. Okay. So now I am executing. See here. Go to command prompt. Clear the screen. Now, so notepad space lr.py linear regression. See, this is the program. Now I am executing this program. Python space linear regression lr.py. Okay. Now see the output. See, I got 7 hours if you study. How many marks you are scoring? See, 7 hours if you study, you are getting very good percentage. Okay. So that is a prediction of linear regression. This is the graph we have generated. My graph is visible.
Yes, sir.
If you study 2 hours, 60 marks. 3 hours, 70 marks. 4 hours, 80 marks. 6 hours, 90 marks. Like that. 7 hours, 98 marks. So this is the graph I am generating. Next program, this is a linear regression for prediction of a future value. Next program to perform nonlinear regression. So same program I'm using, define the polynomial function. Import numpy as np. To perform nonlinear regression, we need to first define a function that represents the relationship between the input variable, that is called hours studied, and the output variable test score. We can use a polynomial function for this example. Y is equal to a plus, okay, bx plus cx square, where y is the predicted test score and x is the number of hours studied. A comma b and hash c are the coefficients that we do estimate. To estimate the coefficients, we can use the scipy dot optimize dot curve fit function. Here is the Python code. See here, I am using import numpy as np, scipy, define the polynomial function. I am defining the function, return that square. Define the input and output variables. So data, if you read 2 hours 60 marks, same in nonlinear function, how we are going to execute. Estimate the coefficient and print the coefficient value. Now see the output. Now see I am executing nonlinear regression. Notepad space nonlinear regression. This is the program, same program. Now Python space nlr.py. Now see the output value. See, I got the, if you study 4 hours, you are getting 100 marks. So this is the nonlinear regression. Then third program, go to top 10, logistic regression. So same way, I'm taking X value, I'm taking the Y value, and input data hour studied, output data test scores, create a linear regression model, logistic regression model, and fit it to the data, linear regression, and this is a predict the test scores for a new set of hours. Okay, so now I am executing this program. Please see here, command prompt. See, if you see logistic R, so notepad space logistic Python. This is the program. Okay, now I am executing Python space logistic r.py. Now see, I am getting the output value. Yes, coefficient value is 39. Predicted test score for 12 hours study. Okay. Next program, Python program to perform support vector machine SVM classification using iris data from scikit-learn library. Now I am going to execute. See, scikit from sklearn import data sets. I am importing through data from this sklearn. From scikit-learn, I am using selection. Then from sklearn, I am importing support vector classifier from sklearn metrics. And first I am loading the iris data set. Load iris dataset, split the dataset into training and testing data, then create an instance of the SVM classifier with a linear kernel, SVM, SVC support vector classifier, then train the classifier on the training data, evaluate the accuracy of the classifier. Now see, now I am executing support vector machine. So clear the screen, Python space SVM iris. So this is now I am executing. See, I got it is classified into 100%. Okay. So same way I am executing next program. Top 10, at least top 10 programs, KNN, K nearest neighbor algorithm. First we are loading the iris data set. Split data into training and test sets. Create KNN classifier with K. Number of classes are 3. Fit the classifier to the training data. Predict the classific classes of testing data. Evaluate the accuracy of classifier. Now see I'm going to execute KNN. Python space KNN iris. So it is giving output 93.33%. Next program, top 10 algorithms. Please keep in mind. Next, decision tree. Okay. So next program, same way I'm executing. See, Python space PT iris decision tree. It is giving 93.33%. Same, this algorithm. Next, a naive Bayes classification, NB, naive Bayes classification. Then followed by the random forest. Then followed by the neural networks. Then followed by clustering. K means, see, I'm going to execute a top 10 algorithm. K means clustering. Clear the screen, Python space, K means 1, Python space, K means. So now it is executing. See now, my screen is visible. Hello, my dear friends.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so many applications I have executed, so many applications. How much time is there? Hello, madam. Anika, madam. She's there.
20 minutes, sir. Yes, sir, ma'am is here.
So still 20 minutes, no problem. So I'm going to demonstrate various applications now. See, weather forecasting data and clustering data. This is Python code for principal component analysis. Python program that performs the a priori algorithm using the MLXtend library, a priori algorithm, very famous. Define the transaction data. Like if you are going to shop, you are regularly you are purchasing bread and jam. Why? Because it is a combination. So like that association rules, we can generate a number of examples. See here, I am going to demonstrate a priori algorithm. Okay. So I am going to demonstrate a priori algorithm. See, CLS, clear the screen, Python space, a priori algorithm. See, so combinations, I got the output combinations. So support and item sets, frequent item sets, bread and cheese, eggs and milk, vegetables, cheese and bread. Likewise, we are generating top 10 rules. Okay, antecedents and consequence. So likewise, I am generating various applications. Now see here. So these are the multiple choice questions. If you are, see, so with this one, data science introduction part is with the top 10 algorithms I have executed. Now I am going to execute Python with the various applications. So before going to next concept, so my channel is there. I have uploaded nearly 173 videos are there. If you have mobile, please subscribe my channel. Go to YouTube. See, click this URL. My dear friends, go to YouTube. If you are in the laptop, please type YouTube and go to taskbar. Type Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. Please subscribe my channel. Type Dr. Asadi. If you type Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, so you will get my channel. Likewise, Dr. Asadi. If you click how many videos I have uploaded, see here, how many videos I have uploaded. Okay, see my videos. So many videos I have uploaded, various IT trends and technologies. See, I have a hello sir, my screen is visible. Some disconnected.
Yes, sir, it is. It is visible now.
Yeah. So these are the various videos, all the technologies, Internet of Things, blockchain technology, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, deep learning, big data technologies, cloud computing, data science, various videos. If you are having mobile phone or laptop, please go to and type Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. Only 5 members subscribed right now. Please remaining, my dear students, my dear friends. So if you go to my channel, you can have multiple videos. Okay. So you can do it. So these are various videos. Please do it subscription. Just subscribe my channel and listen. Any doubts you can ask me. You can get my details from Anika madam, or I'm going to share in the group chat. Don't worry. I'm sharing my URL and as well as my details in the group chat. So okay. So next I'm going to execute. See, in Python programming there are very so tools in Python, technologies in Python C, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, cyber security. Sir, some disturbance is coming. Hello, sir. Some disturbance is coming, sir. Okay. So where we are using Python C in
Sir, it has been
artificial.
sorted out now.
Sorry, sir. Sir, anything? Any doubts? Students, any doubts, please ask me. Hello, sir. Any doubts? Hello, please respond, anyone? Sir, my screen is visible, sir. Murlidhar, sir. Anika, madam, my screen is visible. Hello? Ayush? Arya? Please, anyone, please respond. Ashish? Aman Kumar? My screen is
Sir, could you
visible?
please repeat? Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. Any doubts with the students? Any doubts? So these are the technologies we are using in Python programming. Internet of Things, blockchain technology, big data, cyber security, deep learning, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Then these are the 5 reasons why we are using in Python in data science. Data science professionals can get up to speed quickly. Data science teams can form quickly. Python's extensive library, data science tools are all. Python can be used for nearly anything in data science. Scripts in Python can be developed quickly. So, building secure Python applications, artificial intelligence, robotics, quantum computing, web development, web scraping, automation and testing, blockchain technology, ethical hacking. So these are the benefits. It is simplifies debugging. It open source programming language. It useful in automation. It uses real world engineering products. It reduces development time. It enhances productivity. It is a powerful language. So this is my channel. In the statistics, I have executed already linear regression. See here, this is the problem. For example, let's say we want to model that relationship between the number of hours studied and the number of scores on a test. We collect data on 10 students and record the number of hours studied and their corresponding test scores. So 2 hours 60 marks, 3 hours 70 marks, 4 hours 80 marks. Now see, using the above data, we can calculate the slope and intercept values using the following formula. For example, if a student studies 7 hours, we can predict their test score using following formula. Y is equal to mx plus c, a plus bx. A is a minus 10 plus 15x. So 95. Therefore, we can predict that student who studies for 7 hours will score 95 on the test. See, this is the program I have executed. This is the output. Next, non-linear regression. We are getting the non-linear regression. Multiple regression. So, we are getting the output like this, non-linear regression. Okay. So, I will show you this demonstration. Python space non-linear. See now, my screen is visible. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yeah. So my screen is visible. So like this non-linear regression, then logistic regression. Because of time, I am moving fast. This is logistic regression. Then these are the techniques in statistics: sampling techniques, descriptive statistical techniques, inferential statistic techniques, correlation and regression techniques, data visualization techniques, machine learning techniques, time series analysis techniques, clustering and classification techniques. These are the top 10 algorithms. And the tools we are using: regression analysis tools, hypothesis testing, descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, correlation analysis, time series analysis, clustering analysis, dimensionality reduction. Then these are the applications of statistics: predictive modeling, machine learning, and A by B testing, data visualization, fraud detection, optimization, sentiment analysis. Advantages. So advantages, we are using data communication. So then data visualization, hypothesis testing, then predictive modeling. Anika madam is calling. Okay. So I got the message from your organization. I want to wind up 5 minutes. Okay. Any doubts if you are having, please ask me, my dear friends. See, any doubts? If you close on, this is a future workshop I am going to cover next April 29th. I am going to cover 1 day workshop on how to create a best research article using Chat GPT. Okay, Chat GPT application. I'm using AI model. This is your Chandigarh University today. Okay, my future workshop is, if you want to attend, I'll share you screen. Any doubts? So these are the various workshops I have conducted all over the world. Okay, these all are various workshops I have conducted all over the world. Okay, any doubts, please ask me now. Please. Any doubts with you? Yeah, please, madam. Any doubts? No, your voice is not audible, madam. Please ask me clarity. I'm going to clarify your doubt. Your voice is not clarity.
Yes, sir, students will know actually we have some another lecture at this time. And students are very, very happy for this session. Thank you very much for this wonderful session. My voice is clear now, sir. Dr. Asadi, my voice is clear.
Yes, madam.
Yeah.
Now it is.
Thank you very much, sir, for this. Thank you very much for this wonderful session and spare time for us from this initiative. And students are also very happy to hear you. And enlighten us students with a deep knowledge of data science. I know you are head of data science research lab in Liberia, Africa. And most students are very happy to hear data science. All subscribe their channel. And I'm glad to be giving this session in Chandigarh University. Thank you very much for giving this session.
So, my dear students,
If you have any queries, you can ask from Dr. Sir.
okay, madam. Any doubts if you are having, please take my details from madam. She is going to share with you. Anytime you can interact through WhatsApp. You can interact with me. I will demonstrate your projects, any research article, any project if you want to execute. I am going to help you. Okay. So, if you have a mobile or laptop, please subscribe my channel. You type Dr. Asadi, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. So definitely you will find many videos, many concepts in IT trends. So that's all from my side. If you are having any doubts, you can contact through WhatsApp or email. That's all, madam. Anika, madam, anything, if any doubts are there with students?
No, sir, students have no doubt at this time. Actually, they are very happy Dr. Sadiq's session in our university. And
Yes.
I'm all very thankful to you to giving this session and enlighten our Chandigarh University students with your deep knowledge on data science. Students know what is data science and what are the Python and what are NumPy. They have gained so much in this session. Thank you for giving time for this session at this time. Thank you very much, Dr. Sadiq. I hope
Yes.
we will again meet soon and give another session to our students.
Yeah,
Thank you very
sure,
much.
madam. Sure. Thank you, madam, for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah, thanks, sir.
Thank you, madam.